Good night, yo. John, I'm a 44. Good night. How are you? Humble people of Earth. How are you today? I am from planet Nicknock. Yes, sir. Hey, you see me? You see me? That's what I know. When you see people that jump up on a real bird, Jamaica this bird, Jamaica red, Jamaica stand for that bird, Jamaica go, Jamaica go. Can't meds them. Because let me tell you something, you see anti-Foota, what you see there? You wanna see good blood clot anti-Foota, wanna see right fucking this one. Just call him Jamaica defender, you know, man. Them the man, they have Jamaica laws right down on them balls, you know, my friend. When them the man, they can come tell you everything what Jamaica don't put up with. Everything where you hear that man come out of his mouth, Jamaica, well, Jamaica, oh, Jamaica, the stand for that, Jamaica, oh, Jamaica, oh, yeah. Everything where you come out of them man, them out. And the laws of Jamaica people not do that. Yo, man, Jamaica people not going for me. I wonder, oh, yo, Jamaica. Be a black club hacking in. Mr. What do you hear? Anti-Foota trace, you know, my friend. Them they get a lap, them frack tail and blood clot wiping underneath him pussy and there's a people business. Yeah. When you hear them, the one they blood, them they get like when them they get like cuss and a go on, you know, and I read out the certificate for Jamaica, you know, and a not normal. You don't believe that him create a flag? You don't think that him write the blood clot anthem? So it baffles me now. What do you want to say? We're a rotten dog like a blood clot board house and get damn dog by chichi. Don't figure out blood clot yard. It puzzles me. It soaked me in my blood clot side. It's like we are playing blood clot scratchy. And you give me one lick in my blood clot side of the ball, you know, my friend. You clot me, man, with me. I say me bumbo clot. Look at my shirt. You see me? I say kiss my ass clot. Kiss my good ass clot. Mr. Anti-Foota, kiss my ass. Yo. What did you take Jamaica and put on for your blood clot chest, you know? Take it down like a blood clot FIFA you play, you know? You said that? Can't. Somebody read you wrong. Somebody send out false information. Yo! Jamaica governor, Jamaica president. No. No, I may have to get some Baileys for this. Mr. Look, bro, God, I mean, fuck it. You can't tell me, see, you're running that blood clot chrome. Oh, no, boy, I'm telling you where is chrome. This is Florida. Nobody a blood clot Florida now, I got blood clot chrome. Friday got chrome, you go home. Chrome, home. You notice how it blood clot rhyme? From once you go a chrome, you know you have to go home. Nobody know I got blood clot chrome. It not take boy. If you see about blood clot daylight. In America straight, you're going by blood clot. So when me here and you don't know how the immigration blood clot they deal with you wicked down in the thinking chrome, them friend. So my time they need no feed you. Members they don't in the blood clot chrome, then nobody know him as no celebrity, man, and our blood clot Justin Bieber. And blood clot race. You mean if you tell me say you rather the blood clot blue eye boy that deal with you like a blood clot shit now you go down at the blood clot place where you get up and preach suffer every day. Yes. I am Anti-Foota. Once me see you as a Jamaican and come out a line, I shall put you back in there. Me sit down, me notice the whole of no business. Una not live up to Jamaica laws. Couldn't you? Can't you? Can't. You, Jamaica blood class supervisor, couldn't. You mad? You sick? No, man, no. I'm fucking baffled. I mean, come on, bitch. I mean, listen. You couldn't. Brother, to your blood clot big me, you see, have all the Jamaican consulate back here, you know what I got? You mean say you want to lock you up like a pitch here, than let you free like a pigeon? Eh, brother? This seriously cool because every day you say your ancestors them. You know me say ancestors them? Hmm? You must blood clot miss your fucking ancestors. Don't fucking trouble me. Look at my shirt, boy. You must miss your blood clot ancestor. Them come ya. Alright. You must know we have a blood clot foreigner sweet you. The man say rather turn in a blood clot immigration hole before him bumbo clot gone thinking about Foota. Go thinking about Jesus Christ. You, we hate Batman and Saddam so? Kiss me rascal. You, we hate Batman and Saddam so really what they in a Batty country? So till you fight me and do the same what you're so ball of your asylum. Think I next blood class step that you know. You are gonna scream out for your asylum next because you know what got your yard. We don't know what the problem what you know what got your yard because you tell them on their face you say, oi, me rather stay here in a jail than guy yard. Something bad must now happen, brother. You must can't get over Shana now, brother. Come on. The man don't want to go blood clot Jamaica to why Shana live down there. Brother, look here. Come, be a big blood clot, man. Brother, come on, me never see a girl not even lick your chip, she broke in two. Kiss me bumbo clot. Why you wouldn't want to go your blood clot yard, Auntie Foota? Because you the in a blood clot immigration of your little notepad where you write down everyone a little immigrant them business we down there now. If you come out your contact. Cause you see when time them man they touch road and they touch it ground. Oh gosh. All on the cousin them. I no uncle them on the family them on have done a blood clot crumb. Them business are coming right out here. Right now, as them have him in the pan leaf, then think a leaf and a leaf. Right now, everybody a research. It dog the pan right fucking now. Don't play with Auntie. You see them that boy there? Them that get everywhere and go. People business is the main fucking priority, you know. All of them little man they don't want to call on the little people them want to have a crew. Tell them to shut them out. Shut up. Because the blood clot Jamaica cleaner in there, you know. And the Jamaica blood clot cleaner in that bumbo clot there. And from once Gleaner get for your story, you know, my friend. Fuck it, Gleaner responsible paper. You have to go put him on a careless paper. When you say the Jamaica star, you know, man. I him that man, he in a crew on there. Just write down everybody business underneath him balls. Here, I wonder with the blood clot, this the rascal. No one want to tell him, that's all I say. I must swing for the blood class sentence so then let him go. I tell you that. Yeah, what's it all right? The man said dip is not an option. The man said dip is not something that him and Trump going to talk about because I'm not look upon that. He want to tell him straight, say, oh, I better only keep me in a prison right there, so don't send me back a yard. Because who that really want blood clot guy yard? You know, see how the boy deal with film. See the height me I watch before me right there now. The little girl was 21 and this is a big old blood clot grade to a long time pussy clot man. Yeah. You want to see pussy clot man too? You say, yo, this is not make sense to me a pussy clot man. You see likes, You see, like some blood clot greasing, I hit cast this, you know. Because when you look on the man attire, you know, the man look blood clot, oh, like our uncle or grand uncle, you know, sitting and mama dead with the fork and mama, you want slice of fire, walla, you left him. Good as, no way you do. Cause man get up to blood clot and slam. You see, he fake off a girl and then blung, blung, blung. And walk up, me see little man in the corner to blood clot. The little man, I said, wow, oh shit. And when I see man turn around and say, yo, he like him gone. Me see man sit down there and then run out. I tell you a thing now. You see all man like all uno. Man like uno not for go to prison, man, not for dead. You see, pre? Because me no care what nobody want to say, boy, that the girl that did that near me mouth or what be the blood clot case. But let me tell you something. Him weak. Him is not a man, him is a boy. Him weak. You see, pre? Because he is a married thinking great one blood clot man. Big old man. You could have never think that this 21-year-old girl go and settle down with big old thinking long time blood clot yo. His shirt all one iron. Him blood clot shirt one iron when did have on. That the big long time bumbo clot man. They look on that little girl you know. You know say she a fuck you for things. Me tired of people like what talk about say that's why girl fit top fuck people. Oh no bumbo clot top it. All of them boy you know when girl a fuck them for things. When she decide to top fuck you for things, you're ready to come slam your license gun in her face. You're weak. You're a boy. You don't know nothing about this thing. You see me I deal with me can't me have to just say R.I.P. to the girl. Me not blame her a blood clot. Which girl? No near mouth boy. Bumbuckler enough girl a fuck man with them not like because him a show out. You see pre? That no give no boy no right for slam no shot in a no girl face, man. You see, pre? God, nobody can tell me say you love somebody so much until you kill them. You don't have no love for that the blood class somebody there. None at all. You was a big long time dirty thinking man with your wife and them thing there. Brother, you lose me. You miss me. You know what this was all about all this while, you know. You see me? You fuck a little young girl, you have your wife and thing, nothing serious. You know, say you have trouble man and fuck and thing and real. What? You want to forget the girl say she want left. Who the fuck is you, brother? You God? All of the girl, enough time. Him did tell you say me that go kill you, you never believe him. Him tell you about 100 times say him go kill you, and you, girl, never believe him. See it now? You not even make it to this year. Him tell you so much time. You know, if you ever left me, me kill you. If you ever left me, and you never blood clot believe him. You never believe him. Because if you did blood clot believe him, you wouldn't sit down like this with him. Remember that blood clot, no one say you left him. You see, pre, them the kind of man they good as. One time they do with them a little girl, them very controlling and possessive. No one them little girl talk to nobody else and them a little girl feed them girl when they have their wife for them yard and it now go work, bro God. The man them a go kill your GP youth. Yeah man. Me have couple of soldiers in I bum buckle hell there. As you go hell man, boy like you dead a hell dog. You see pre? Yeah man. You a fool youth. You a big dirty thinking long time married dirty bumbuckler man youth. That our lily girl, 21, them the hot foot. Them the foot the hot. Them the little girl and I look for settle down with nobody. You married brother. The girl says she done. Lower. What's so you can't let go? Eh? What's so make you can't let go? What's so make you feel like you have a slam toe shot in the people and pit in the face youth? You think you're greater than no man body boy? You think a one or two we girl left? What we a kill girl for girl? One! Ball if you must. I want to tell you, some of them things you missing no for now go on. One time you know say them little girl you fuck on for money and when the little girl them ready for left for no. Or they ready for go kill a little girl them and you to yo, you do better youth. You hear that? Do better, brother. Yeah man, you no accent. You see pre? Because right you know, when me look into this a bag of fuckery. One bag of fuckery. Look for you and look for she. How far you think it did all go? The rest of your life thing you did depend, brother. The girl upon the rest of your pocket, youth. And you did know that because of you use money and grease, sir. That the little blood clot brown girl there, when me see you, and you go rub money or blood clot mouth, fishy fuck you. And you continue to give her the money she a fuck you for, you know. So the girl ready for cut now with the blood clot, you think of forever. And even forever, she a fuck you for some money, bro, God. And you know, because of you go grease her with money, you know. Always I go around them little nice girl and I go like you can't get them because you have some kind of sugar daddy or grease puppet. You see, pray? Are you a greasy girl, you know, brother? Brother, are you been a greaser? Are you come in with the money thing? Because if I never feel money thing, that girl now give you no pussy. Surely. You see, pray? Them the little girl, they are hot foot. You know what I mean by hot foot? Them the girl at a road, my friend. One or two little boy and knock that like a jump on, my friend. When you're there home with your blood clot wife, my friend. My friend, you see that little brown girl there? When you die in your yard, it's a regular like a straight boy a beat out her hole. You see, pray? You can't fucking a pussy on me, no, my friend. You see me? So you suck her pussy and give her money, you think so you can control the girl. And I say it work, brother. And I say it work because she do not want you. You know that? You continue to give her money, you give her money. The girl says she ready for left, brother. Accept it. Accept it. That's why you know for deal with people for gifts and gratuities. When time you go to a girl, if you say you don't get her naturally, don't force it. Because through you force it, now you have kill off the people and girl pick me. The girl no wrong, you wrong. Because are you agree, sorry, no brother? Are you come in with this money thing and a talk about say I'll give you whatever you want, you know. Be a credit, you know. Every minute you buy her this and buy her that, you know. Brother, you! The girl not there, no. Now you do it, my friend. The man them gonna kill you, Elliot. The man them well want some pussy for fucking and that right now. And you out there say kill pussy? Brother, you crazy, sir. You have a wife for your yard. But you mean to tell me say you so blood clot craven. You so craven. When you come to blood clot, let go one or two pussy you have a control. The little young one says she don't want no more of your thing. Lord, the girl. You craving your blood clot crave and you go dead. Man, them all kick you, brother. More the man, yo, brother, youth. I sure you didn't even know, my friend. Kill off the little blood clot, girl, eh? Sweet piece of girl. And that you want. You want sweet girl. You get sweet girl. You pee off. You pee off. You pee off. You pee off. Sweet girl, you just a pee off sweet girl and a suck out him pussy and a fuck her and them little thing there. You think say you gonna have it forever. Brother, you're wicked. Come on, old boy, you're wicked. Big one. You're wicked, big one. Come on, them the little lad foot there, you can look on them the little lad foot there and talk about say, Ray, I have all your wife. You're wicked, boy. You prove yourself because you're gonna kill the people and pitney and call for them. A waste man move you make you big waste man move you make. You see, pray? Me can't wait until the boy them fly you up out of your cells and man them pick out your feather them, brother. You're checking you out. You see, pray? The man them pick out your feather youth. Yeah, man, pick out the whole of your bumbuckler feather them, my youth. Yeah, man. Everyone. Bumbo hole there, my friend. I'm telling you, man, hanging tree. Out of yalas, man. God, bumbuckler, yalas, man. I'm telling you. Them bumbuckler wire. I walk a kill off a good girl pitney them in a right fit up. Hanging tree. Hanging bumbuckler tree, man. I'm team friend. That the little girl ain't live no life yet. Just a come out. You see me a deal with? And call for thing them here go on. Look there. Amount of killing a spouse go on since last year. Last year was a spouse year. Because all of the girl was stab the ball in her neck and kill him. That the thinking old girl nasty pussy girl she kill off the baller. Then they shut up the baller funeral. Boy, the baller circle just loose, yeah, man. You can't bother with them loose activity there. Funeral shut up and them thing. What me show you about them spouse thing, yeah. From what day them spouse thing, yeah, get out of hand, brother. Me no want to hear for him side of blood clot. I mean, no want to hear nobody try to justify that blood clot. Because no justification now in this right you know. If anybody try to justify this, he's an idiot. Right you know, him just wrong cross the blood clot board, bro, God. Yeah, man, him not have no side, man. He need to get one last. One mob of people need to run him down and beat him, man. Bust him throat, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man. No side, no dead, baby. He is a married man where you have fuck side chick. No side, no dead to that the story, the baby girl. The side has already been told. I hate that. Yeah, adultery. You don't want to be a playboy. All of them can't content have their wife and still want to play. Well, there's consequences for playing. No justification, no day, no that. Him for dead. Yeah, man. Him for dead. No justification, man. Yeah, man. I love you know me that. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But on the subscribe to my YouTube channel, you see, look a bell on the side right there, so. Click it. I talk was a tingling. You see tingling. You see every time me post a video on my YouTube, it comes straight to your phone, dog. I won't even lie to you. Swear. Love you, dog. Good night. Good night.